bridge from Chicago blues to pop music. They came to Chess Records in Chicago on Michigan Street. Took that Chicago blues and made their own stew and spread it around the world to let a lot of people know about Muddy Waters, Howlin' Wolf, Little Walter, Willie Dixon. And I'm gonna try to show you how I think they got inspired by this song. I'm not sure, I can't confirm it, but I can feel it. Let's try it, fellas. Sound good. I've been haunted in my sleep, I've been starring in my dreams, girl, I miss you. I've been hanging in the hall, waiting for your call when the phone rings. It's just some friends of mine that say, hey, what's the matter, man? We coming around 12 with some fine, beautiful girls just dying to meet you. To the bridge, fella. Sometimes you got to talk to yourself. You know, the last 2.5 years we've been talking to ourselves a lot, haven't we? And when I talk to myself, I think about all the great ones that paved the way to allow all of us on this blues cruise to do what we love to do, and that's play the blues for you. People like Muddy Waters, Howlin' Wolf, Little Walter, Willie Dixon, Chuck Berry, Bo Diddley, Coco Taylor, Aaron Collins, B.B. King, Albert King, Freddie King, Jimmy Webb. But you know what? This is where the bridge comes. This is where I think that they got this song from. Well, inspired from Mr. Otis Rush. Any Otis Rush fans out there? If you know Otis Rush, you know what I'm talking about. Watch this. Can I try it? All your love, I miss love. All your kiss, I miss kissing. All your love, I miss love. All your kiss, I miss kissing. Baby, since you've been gone, I don't know what I've been missing. All the love and pretty things I have in store for you. All the love and pretty things I have in store for you. I love you, baby. You love us too. We love you, Blues Cruise. We hope you love us too. Chuck it. We hope you love us too. We hope you love us too. I've been lying to myself. It's you and no one else.
Brooks. Billy.